Hi guys, and today we're going to do a Mother's Day gift.
We're going to attempt to do a Mother's Day gift. We're actually going to do it outside episode today. Odin is just not wanting to cooperate, so we're going to let him run over there. He's going to help us look for some rocks. We're going to look for a tile in the garage that we can build our little creation on. And we're going to get some sticks and some rocks, and we're going to try to make a nice little Mother's Day present. You okay, bud? All right, well, that's the plan. All right, let's go in here and see if we can find I think there's some tile under the bench over here. Okay. Yeah, if we look under the bench, see underneath that orange container? Yeah. See underneath that, you can move that orange paint thing. See if you can find a nice little piece of tile there. We'll go ahead and clean it up.
Okay, where do I put this?
Just put it on the floor. You guys think you got something there?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go get them cleaned off?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit. Just don't let it drip on you. We'll get them hosed off. Do you want me to do it?
I can do it. I got it.
Okay, everybody back up a little bit.
Jeez, this is hot water.
Yep. It's because the sun's been cooking it.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, Odin and I are going to clean these off. Let's clean these off, bud. We're going to clean these off. Look. Spray them off. Yeah. Spraying your hand off.
And mine. And mine too.
Okay, everybody wants the hand squeezed. Cleaned off. Flip those over, guys. Give him a quick flip. Let him flip it. Yeah, that's fine. That's good. Good job. Flip it over, bud. Put it down so we can clean it.
Put it down.
We gotta clean it. Come clean it.
We have to clean it.
Okay, ready? Move your feet. Move your feet. You're gonna get wet feet. All right, good enough. Good job, guys. Come on, let's look for some rocks. Come on, Odin. Let's join these guys.
There's a flat one.
Okay, you think that will work?
Do you think this might work? Probably could. It's kind of flat.
I think we need to find super flat ones. Like that. Yeah, like that one. Okay, let's group these up. This is a good one.
Here.
This is as flat as you can find. Odin, you gonna help, bud?
Yes. But it's gotta be flat. You don't have to be.
This could be, possibly we could use that for the mother's dress.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this one's pretty interesting.
Oh yeah.
You guys find anything good?
Yeah. And guys, I found this perfect head.
Awesome job. That is a great hit.
Perfect head for the mom.
All right. Good job. Keep looking, guys. Pretty cool.
Do you have a
You guys want to keep hiking?
Yeah.
Bet we could find some cool sticks up here. All right. So we've picked out several rocks from the yard and several sticks. We found these tiles in the garage. You may not have tiles, and you don't have to use tiles. You can use
paper.
You can use paper. You can use cardboard.
You can use
Regular paper probably wouldn't work that well, but cardboard, wood, anything you can find around the house. Ask mom or dad first before you just go grab stuff. We happen to be lucky and have some tiles in the garage, but anything would really work. So we have our stuff. We actually did a little pre-work, and we picked out what we thought might work good for our project, and we're about to line it all up. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, first thing that we're gonna do is we got our hot glue gun out. If you don't have hot glue, you don't have to use it. You could use Elmer's glue, it would work fine. We just happen to have this hot glue gun, which needs more glue. And so this will work really well, but like I said, Elmer's glue will work just fine as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna we're gonna glue.
I don't think tape would really work.
No, tape wouldn't work. I'm gonna definitely glue these sticks to the back of these tiles because it's our only way to have it
them stay together.
stay together. Exactly.
Dad, Dad.
It's okay, buddy.
It's okay if
Hot
not.
glue is just leaking out a little bit, but it's not a big deal. All right, we're gonna take our second stick. It's just
Do
a
the
painter,
same thing.
just a painter stick. Again, whatever you can find around your house to use. We had these in our paint supplies.
It smells good.
Yeah, it does have a unique smell to it. Okay, so we're gonna put that down. I'm going to stagger these because they're not really long enough. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to do something
Oh no, how we're gonna flip
to the
them up?
cracks. We're going to just glue these cracks. I'm not sure this is even really going to help all that much, but anything we can do to prevent these from coming apart. We don't want Mom's gift to fall apart, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's for
Cool.
Mother's Day.
All right, so right now we're going to start by putting on the ground. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue, not too much, on this stick. Just a really thin line. And I gotta work kind of fast because I don't want it to be
Dry by the time.
exactly. Now you finished my thought for me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So there, Landon, just hold that down. Awesome. Now, again, we have sort of predetermined what pieces we thought would look good, and we thought this was like the excellent
Head for
mama
Mom.
head, but this is like a mama dress, so we're gonna put this one on. Okay.
It won't dry before.
So that's gonna be the
Mama.
mama dress. This is gonna be like the mama
Body kind
body.
of part.
Yeah. Okay. So that will go there. It is hot out. It's a beautiful day out here. And then this will go on as the head.
Head for Mama.
And last but not least, we got a little skinny arm here to put on for the mama arm.
Mama's arm. Or Mama's arms.
Now let's do Maddie.
Okay?
There we go.
Good. So now from here we put Madeline on. So we've got a representation of all the kids in little stones. Yeah, bud, what's up? It's a cool one, Maddie. Very
There's my
cool.
body, my head, and my heart that I'm going to give to Mom.
Awesome.
And my arms.
Awesome. So Maddie's first little experience with hot glue. Just be careful, babe. I'm right here. I'm not gonna let you get hurt. You don't have to put a ton. That's plenty.
Okay.
That's plenty.
My gosh.
That's okay. Okay, cool. So put that down. And now, do you want to place this?
Oh my gosh.
It's fine. That
Wait.
little part's not gonna hurt you. You put it down quick, like somewhere in that region. Good.
There.
Yeah, that's exactly where we wanted it. Good job, hon. Now, next piece.
It's going to be the
Your little head.
It's going to be
Just all you need is a dab in the middle. That's it.
That's good.
Yeah, I missed it. Bad camera work. A little more. You have to dab it a little bit more
That's good.
than that. No, a little more.
It's on me. It's on me.
It's okay. Those little pieces are cool by now. Okay. We might need another glue stick in there. There you go. Now that's plenty.
Okay.
Now put that down. Okay.
How did
And
that cut?
now that little head just puts right on top of the body there.
Dad, can I do
Awesome.
hot
Awesome.
Put
And
my-
I'm gonna put the arm on just because
because
Maddie,
it's
hold that.
super
it's
skinny.
Yeah, it's really skinny. So
Super skinny.
just a little dab will do ya on there.
Can I do myself? Over here.
Maddie's gonna be handing
Mommy a little
Mommy the heart of Tafiti.
Can I do it?
Tafiti. Not really the heart of Tafiti. We just watch a lot of Moana. So, all right, Maddie's gonna
Moana.
switch back. She's gonna hold that. That's all right. We can. Okay.
She's a bug in my face.
Okay. So Maddie's applying the glue.
Wait, can I do myself? With hot glue?
Okay. She's got the glue applied, and she's handing Mom.
Heart
Heart.
for Mother's Day.
Okay.
It's
Beautiful.
coming up super
Beautiful.
soon.
Awesome.
Really soon.
All right, Landon. So Landon's gonna give a shot to the hot glue gun too. Here, hold on to that. Very carefully squeeze some into the middle of this. Ooh, ow.
Did you get hot glue on
I
yourself?
did. This is why we need to be super careful.
Yeah, that's
'Cause-
why we let parents do hot glue when you're
it's
too
okay.
young.
It's okay. He's all right. He's doing okay.
Yeah.
Landon, can I put this
Maybe
on, or do you
later.
want to?
I want to.
Okay. So hold it on the sides, just like that, and you're gonna put it like right here. Good. Good job,
Now
bud.
the head, Landon's head.
Good. Now Landon's head is gonna be right here. And I'm gonna hold it because in case you spill off the side here. Ooh, that part's hot. Squeeze it.
Push it a little harder.
That's awesome right there.
That's
Perfect.
That's a good amount.
Okay. Landon's head's gonna go
Here's a
right
bug.
there. And I'm gonna do this part. I have to.
Because this
It's
the
so
arms are
skinny.
very skinny because it is a stick for the
Okay.
arms.
Put that on.
Stick
Hold that.
arms.
Landon is also
Can I do Odin?
offering Mom a heart.
But I'm the first one because I'm the oldest kid. Get off.
Good.
Way more than I would have got.
Okay.
Get away.
There's Landon offering his heart.
To Mom.
And
And then a little Odin. Little Odin.
we talked.
Can I do
I need
it?
another glue stick. Can you get me another glue stick out of that box?
Yeah. Are they hot?
We're gonna run
No.
out of them.
They're not hot.
Wait, I wanna feel. Maybe after.
Need a little bit more glue on there. Okay. There we go. That will do it. So there's Odin's
Odin's little body.
body. Here's his little head.
Little head. And then he'll have a super little heart. 'Cause
And
it's
he's
not
quite a bit younger, so he's gonna have, we found
Only-
this perfectly awesome little tiny heart
for Odin.
shape.
And Odin is only 1, Landon is 5, and I am 7.
Hey, you didn't have to say that,
Okay, and there is Odin offering his heart. So we put,
Now we're gonna do it.
okay,
Guys, we're gonna do
here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give you an example, Maddie. I'm gonna put a little dab of glue, and then you're gonna do your best to be super careful not to touch that glue, okay? So the next stone's gonna go here, so lift it up, and I'll put a dab. Okay, put it on. And the next stone's gonna go here. Put it on there.
It's a little.
I'm gonna put some more down here. Okay, there you go. That's okay. That won't hurt you. Cool. And there it
Which we
is.
can touch.
There it is. There's our Mother's Day gift.
Very cool project for Mother's Day.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun with it.
Mommy's gonna love it for Mother's Day.
All right, so another successful episode. But before we go, we'll do a quick out in the sun look at our project, so you can get a good idea of what it looks like out in the sun. We stayed in the garage today because it was shady in here. Okay, so here's your joke of the day. Joke of the day: why don't crabs donate to charity? Because they're shellfish. Another good joke?
Yeah.
All right.
This is us 3 kids giving hearts to mommy.
Okay.
And we spread the word about.
Awesome job, guys. It came out really cool. And I have to tell you, it was inspired by something that Madeline did for Mother's Day when she was in preschool with her preschool class.
Can I go get it?
Sure.
Okay.
So Maddie wanted to go grab Maddie wanted to go grab her little thing that she made in preschool, and again, this was the inspiration for it. So, you know, always trying to look for inspiration in different places and kind of put our own little spin onto it, not to steal someone's idea, but to kind of make it our own. And that's what we did here. So you can see the inspiration piece, and then you can see the way we'd put our own little spin on it. So hopefully Mom will love it. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
All right, so what do you guys want to say? Maddie?
Hit the like button
Landon?
and subscribe.
Yeah, if you enjoy our stuff, hit those buttons, subscribe, make sure you get notifications, check out our website, all that good stuff. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye, guys.